Yes, as you can see, today I'm back with a gardening unboxing. I am going to reveal to you how I'm going to rejuvenate my garden. I'm going to rejuvenate my garden this year, 2018, with some new special herbs. I'm going to plant these special herbs in some of the containers I already have. Add a little bit of spice. I'm going to show you what. Now, something I got from the garden store that amused me was the menthol Moroccan mint. This mint is very, 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 very beautiful. It has nice leaves and it smells really great. So as you can see, all the leaves are big, healthy. I already have some mint in my garden. It's chocolate mint, and now I'm going to add some Moroccan mint, which also has some menthol, and we will see what happens. It's a small container, but it will grow big, and mint grows vigorously once it has all the required conditions it needs. So the other product I wanted to show you is I am going to plant more thyme. I love thyme. Thyme is one of the special herbs I grow in my garden, and this is the lemon thyme. It also smells great. I also got this from the garden center. I'll be planting this in combination with the other thyme I have in my garden, so it will give me a variety of thyme to use in my nice recipes I always show you in my health living and wellness. So you'll see this thyme frequently being used in those recipes, but it is going to give some color in my herbal garden. It's going to be so lovely. I can't imagine I'm going to have some color in my green herbal garden. So here it is. You're going to see this greenery and yellow small leaves, and it smells like lemon. Yeah, it smells like lemon. So this is it's called Timo Citrondo. Lemon thyme. Yeah. The other thing I want to show you, maybe you've already seen behind here, is some bananas. I'm not going to be planting bananas, but I thought I'll show you. I love bananas. I buy bananas from another shop, but bananas are really lovely for me. So I love having them for breakfast. I love making smoothies from them, so I also had to get this in this. So that's why it's also in this special box I'm going to unboxing today. The other thing you've maybe already seen is something I bought also from the garden set, and this is the lemongrass. Lemongrass. I have been yawning for this herb, for this type of grass to be brought in the garden center. I've been waiting. I requested for it a few years ago, and they didn't have it. 6 years now, they decided to bring it. So I am happy that I finally got this lemongrass, and I'm going to be planting it in my special garden. So my garden comprises of these 3 herbs, and this year I'll also be planting some courgettes. I have some seeds I bought from courgettes, and I also be planting some cherry tomatoes from seed also. I also have some seeds. I don't see them here. I think they fell out there, but I'll be planting those vegetables, the courgettes and cherry tomatoes, and I'll be planting the this mint, Moroccan mint. I'll be planting the lemon thyme, and I'll also be planting the lemongrass for my garden. So stay tuned and find out on how I'll be using these herbs and fruits in my recipes, and also how they'll be growing in my garden. I hope you loved it, and I hope you join me for more unboxing videos to come and more gardening experiments to come. So if you're new here, thanks for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for your support, and I would love to see you often. Leave me comments to tell me about what you've been planting this year in your garden, and I would like to hear from you, and